Welcome back to DA's Seahorse Financial, your go-to resource for all things money-related. Listen up, freelancers. You've got a lot on your financial plate: finding clients, completing projects, managing your finances, the whole shebang. But let us tell you something, neglecting your bookkeeping is a serious no-no. It's like playing with fire, and if you're not careful, you'll get burned. First off, missing tax deadlines is one of the biggest risks of ignoring your bookkeeping responsibilities. And let's be real, nobody wants to deal with penalties and fines from the IRS. Keep accurate records of your income and expenses, so you can report them correctly and make those estimated tax payments like a boss. Another risk is inaccurate financial statements. If you don't know how much money you're making or spending, you're basically flying blind. And that's a recipe for disaster. Accurate financial statements are essential for making informed business decisions and tracking your progress over time. Cash flow is king, and ignoring your bookkeeping responsibilities can lead to some serious cash flow issues. You need to keep track of your invoices and payments to know when you're getting paid and if you're being paid on time. Otherwise, you'll be struggling to pay your bills on time, and that's just not a good look for any business. Last but not least, neglecting your bookkeeping responsibilities can lead to increased stress and anxiety. Ain't nobody got time for that.
What?
You need to focus on running your business like a boss, not worrying about your finances 24/7. By staying on top of your bookkeeping, you can reduce stress and anxiety and focus on what really matters, making that money. So listen up, if you need help managing your finances, don't be shy. Consider hiring DA Seahorse Financial to assist you. We will help you stay on top of your bookkeeping game and ensure the long-term success of your business. Together, we can conquer the challenges and thrive as freelancers. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful and want more freelancing advice, don't forget to follow our Instagram and Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos.